हेलो फ्रेंड्स। टुडे हम साइंस का फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड की साइंस का सेकंड चैप्टर देखेंगे। ह्यूमन बॉडी, द टीथ। या टीथ आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ। विदाउट टीथ हम कैसे लगेंगे? टोडलर जैसे लगेंगे। माउथ में एक ही टीथ नहीं है और कैसे खा सकते हम? तो बिफोर स्टार्ट दिस लेसन, कुछ बच्चों का, कुछ मम्मी का, कुछ पेरेंट्स का कहना है कि क्या हमें सबसे पहले उस लेसन की रीडिंग टीचिंग करो एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू गिव द मीनिंग। तो चलो हम सबसे पहले ह्यूमन बॉडी द टीथ इसकी रीडिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे। हाउ टू रीड, ओके। तो चलो पहले चैप्टर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, इसमें क्या क्या पढ़ना है। सी, नो अबाउट टीथ, नो अबाउट टीथ। देन सेकंड पॉइंट हमें सीखना है, लर्न अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ टीथ, learn about the types of teeth and structure of a tooth and structure of a tooth. Then third point हमें सीखना है, स्टडी करना है, that is know the ways to take care of your teeth. Know the ways to take care of your teeth. Okay, so we have to study these points in this lesson. And now here is let's see the reading. Okay, let's see the reading. Teeth. Okay, let us learn about two different sets of teeth. Let us learn about two different sets of teeth. Then types of teeth and the structure of a tooth. Okay, हमें क्या करना है? Let's learn about two different sets of teeth, types of teeth and the structure of the root. ये सीखना है। Let's see the sets of teeth. Okay, see here. You have ever tried? Have you ever tried to count the number of teeth? The number of teeth in your mouth. See the question. Yeah, very interesting question. Have you ever tried to count the number of teeth in your mouth? Okay, children, children of your age, children of your age have 20 teeth, have 20 teeth. And how many teeth and how many teeth do your parents have? And how many teeth do your parents have? Okay, now see. Adults have 32. Adults have 32 teeth. Then you must have seen toddlers. You must have seen toddlers who do not have teeth, who do not have teeth in their mouth at all, in their mouth at all. Teeth, unlike brain and heart. Teeth, unlike brain and heart. Do not start working. Do not start working from the day a child is born. A child is born. See here. Actually, A child is born toothless. Actually, a child is born toothless. Usually, after 6 months, babies start to develop. Babies start to develop. Teeth gradually, within a year or two. Gradually, within a year or two, babies develop their first set of teeth. Babies develop their first set of teeth. This set of teeth is known as milk teeth. This set of teeth is known as milk teeth or temporary teeth. Temporary teeth. See here, most children have a full set of 20 milk teeth. Most children have a full set of 20 milk teeth by the age of 3 years. By the age of 3 years. Gradually, as the child grows older, gradually, as the child grows older, these milk teeth start falling off, start falling off one by one, and are replaced by a second set of teeth. Replaced by a second set of teeth. This second set of teeth is known as permanent teeth. There are 32 teeth in this set. There are 32 teeth in this set. Most kids lose all their milk teeth. Most kids lose all their milk teeth by the age of 12 to 30 years. 12 to 30 years. Four teeth at the back of mouth. Four teeth at the back of mouth called wisdom teeth. Develop between the age of 17 and 25 years. 17 and 25 years. See here, types of teeth. types of teeth. See, are all your teeth of same type? Of same type? You you must have noticed. You must have noticed a variety of teeth in your mouth. There are 4 different types of teeth. There are 4 different types of teeth, each with their own function. Each with their own function. Let's see one. Incisors. These are front teeth. These are front teeth. They are 8 in number. They are 8 in number. 4 in the upper jaw, and 4 in the lower jaw, They have a flat surface and sharp. देखो इंसिजर का यहाँ पर पिक्चर है. They have a flat surface and sharp. See the picture of the incisor teeth. Okay, because flat surface, here is a flat surface and the sharpness is there. Sharp horizontal edge. They help in cutting. And biting the food. Thank you. हम यही लेसन अभी उसको हम मीनिंग के साथ बाद में लर्न करेंगे. So all of you do the practice of the reading, and in the next video I will give the meaning of these passages. So all of you take care. Thank you.